Hi! Today's tutorial is how to draw a mandala using the following patterns. For this tutorial, you need an A4 white paper, compass, protractor, 12-inch ruler, a pencil, and an eraser. The first step is to trace a mandala grid. For more information, you can check the video that I've shared with you in the description box and on the right top of the screen. Always start your mandala from the center of the mandala grid. Trace a very small circle in the center, then trace regular petals on each 4 grid sections. Then retrace one of the sides of the petals to give it a darker look, add 1 dot at the summit of each petal, and then fill the smallest circle with dots and retrace the outline of the 1 centimeter radius circle. Next, I will trace the following pattern on my mandala. Trace each petal on 4 grid sections. Add a teardrop between each petal and then retrace the outline of the 2 centimeter radius circle. Now I will trace this pattern, but I will be drawing the petal on 2 grid sections, not on 4. Repeat the second pattern you drew, but this time tracing the petals on 2 grid sections. Add a teardrop with a dot between each pattern. Trace the outline of the circle. This will be the last pattern that we will use, and this pattern will be traced between the 4 centimeter radius circle and the 7 centimeter radius circle, meaning that the summit of the pattern will touch the outline of the 7 centimeter radius circle. This is it for today. I truly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. For more, don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment, and like, and I'll see you next time.